Running through waves with the ocean tide. Picnics in the park with lemonade. Summer memories never fade. Summer vacation, hooray, hooray. Splash in the cool and play all day. Ice cream treats and sunny skies. Fun and laughter as time flies by. Ride your bike or fly a kite. Stay up late on a warm, clear night. Camping trips and songs by the fire. Summer days we all admire.